This video is to guide you through instruction of Phonics Unit 22, Lesson 5. In this lesson, students will review the content from the unit as well as complete a unit checkpoint. For this lesson, you will need the Phonics Works Basic Lesson Guide, Book 2, page 595 through 598. You will also need the Phonics Works Basic Assessment Book, page 121 through 126. First, you will log into the OLS to this lesson, Phonics Unit 22, Lesson 5. Please pause this video while you open the lesson and gather your materials. Good, now we're ready to begin. Learning coaches, turn in your lesson guide to page 595. As you can see in the lesson overview, this lesson begins with a brief online review of short vowels and digraphs. To get to the online review, you will click on the Lesson Navigator on the left-hand side of the screen and then click Review, Short Vowels and Digraphs. Please pause this video as your student completes the online review. Great job! Now it's time for your student to complete the unit checkpoint. Turn in the Phonics Work Basic Assessment Book to page 121. You will give these pages to your student. Also, keep your lesson guide handy as it guides you through administering the assessment. If you would like to print the unit checkpoint answer key, you can print that by clicking on the Lesson Resources. So you'll go to the Lesson Navigator, go back to the Lesson Introduction, click on Lesson Resources, Materials, and you can print the answer key by clicking here. You can use the answer key to score the checkpoint and then enter the results online. Now, let's look back at the lesson guide. There are directions provided for each part of the unit checkpoint. Part 1. Have your student read across the rows from left to right and say the sound that each letter, letters, or word part makes. Note any sounds that they say incorrectly. Please pause this recording to complete Part 1 of the checkpoint. Great! For Part 2 of the assessment, you will say the sound your student should identify. Have your student read the word aloud and circle the letter or group of letters that spells the requested sound. Pause this recording to complete Part 2 of the checkpoint. Next is Part 3 of the unit checkpoint, which is finger stretching. Say each word to your student. Have your student repeat the word and finger stretch the sounds. For example, if you say dish, your student would repeat dish and then give you each sound, d, I, sh. Note any words they finger stretch incorrectly. Pause this recording to complete Part 3. Good job! Part 4 of the unit checkpoint is dictation. Say each word to your student. Have your student repeat the word and then write the word. Please pause this recording to complete the dictation. In Part 5, your student will read aloud the sentences on page 125 in the assessment book. You will count and note the number of words they read correctly. Please pause this recording while you complete this part of the checkpoint. Great, you're almost finished. We are now on page 597 of the lesson guide at Part 6. This is the last section of the unit checkpoint. In this section of the checkpoint, you will say each sound. Your student will say a letter or letters that make that sound. Note any incorrect responses. Please pause this recording to complete Part 6. You are now ready to enter your student's results in the OLS. Click on the Lesson Navigator and select Unit Checkpoint. You will enter your student's results. For your student to pass the unit checkpoint or show mastery, They must score 80% or higher. If your student scores 80% or higher, you will be able to mark the lesson complete and enter the attendance for today. If your student does not score an 80% or higher on the checkpoint, it will mark the lesson time toward attendance, but the lesson will not be marked complete. You can review the material again and have your student take the checkpoint again. Once your student shows mastery by scoring 80% on the checkpoint, you will be able to mark the lesson complete. Please complete our attendance survey located at the top of the MIC to show that you watched this video. For the topic, you can enter Phonics, Unit 22, Lesson 5. Please bookmark this link as you can use it for every instructional video you watch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you.